Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Chime app not sending a verification code. If you're trying to log in or verify your account and not getting the code, don't worry. Here's what to do. First, check your internet connection and make sure you have strong mobile signal or Wi-Fi. Then, confirm that the phone number linked to your Chime account is correct. You can verify this by logging in from another device or browser. Next, look in your text messages and spam folder because sometimes the verification code gets delayed or filtered. If you're using a VPN or ad blocker, disable it temporarily since it can block Chime's security messages. Still not receiving the code? Tap "Didn't get the code" on the login screen and select Resend. Wait at least 1 minute before trying again to avoid temporary lockouts. If none of that works, contact Chime support through their help page or email support@chime.com. They'll manually verify your identity and help you regain access to your account safely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.